Hello and welcome. We are in New York for Swift Business Forum, and I'm now joined by Mary Harman, who is the Payments Strategy Executive at Bank of America. Mary, thank you for joining me. So we have lots of people behind us, and a lot of them presumably attended the panel discussion that you've just moderated. Can you give me a few highlights of the conversation?
So yes, we just finished our panel. We had a diverse group of panelists talking about innovation in payments. Very exciting times. We had Sean Rodriguez, who is been leading the U.S. Federal Reserve's Faster Payments initiatives. Mark McNulty from Citi, who does all the clearing and settlement around payments, and then Mike Bellicosa from Bank of New York Mellon, who has really been leading so many of these efforts across the industry.
And so what were the key points of discussion?
The key topics really were the influence of faster payments in the US and globally, how we're making money move faster, and then are we really prepared for all the implications that come with faster? It has to still be safe and secure, and the back office, and are we prepared to make sure that we can support from an operations perspective the speed and ubiquity that we're driving to from an industry. I think the part of the panel that I really enjoyed was we all came to a similar conclusion from different vantage points, from the regulatory perspective, from the back office perspective, and from the product design and front office perspective. And we had a really engaged audience too. So many interesting questions driving on those points of how are we serving our end customer by introducing all these innovations.
So customers are presumably excited at the prospect of having faster payments, but can you also make sure that faster means safer, more secure?
Absolutely, and that's where we're talking about innovation and all these new technologies that are coming into the marketplace, and making sure that we're introducing them, as you say, to think about all the objectives. Faster, available to everyone, safe and secure. And so there were a lot of conversations both from the audience as well as from the panelists about new capabilities that we're deploying to be able to make them payments safer as well as faster. We've really been focused on making the connections into these networks, but it really is having key value propositions that serve to the customer. Faster doesn't always resonate, especially with a corporate client, but if I can convey all the information along with that payment, so I know who you are, what the payment is for, it really provides a value proposition back to the end customer. They need different solutions, they have less people in their treasury groups. There's a real value proposition that we're unlocking with these new solutions. So it's not just about safer and faster, it's about the information that we can convey and being able to use it for the benefit of the banks and for the end customer.
So clearly there is quite a lot of buzz around this event, and still behind us, and plenty of more conversations to be had later on today. Thank you for joining me, Mary.
Thank you.